Today I want to show you why Los Gigantes is the best place in Tenerife. The amazing thing about Los Gigantes obviously is the huge cliffs, which are absolutely spectacular, especially at different times of the day. They look so different. So you've always got the Los Gigantes cliffs as your backdrop wherever you go. Then you've got the beautiful natural pool. It's free to go in. It's not always open because the waves can be a bit strong, but when it is open, you can go down there, you can swim in there. And you might want to check out my video when I do my wild swim in there. Absolutely beautiful, crystal clear water. It's like an infinity pool to the sea. It's a natural pool. It's absolutely fantastic. You must try it when you come here. One thing you will need to get used to though is there are a lot of steps, a lot of hills to climb, but it definitely keeps you fit. There are a lot of accommodation options in Los Gigantes. Lovely flats like these, they've all got a balcony view. You can look out and see the amazing view of La Gomera, and then you've got this beautiful fisherman's harbour here right below you. Look at that, you wake up to this view and you see the amazing sunsets. In Los Gigantes you get the best of both worlds because you get the traditional town and it's just a little bit different to the main tourist areas. It feels like a more authentic town, so you feel like you're actually on holiday rather than just in a tourist destination. It takes about 40 minutes to get here from the southern airport by taxi. Personally, I like the difference of the two, the tourist areas for when you want to go to those sort of areas with the beaches and things like that, and then I like to go to the local town. It feels more authentic that you're on holiday in a different country. If you start to feel homesick, don't worry, they've got you covered with a big Lidl right in the town here. So Los Gigantes is much quieter than the busy areas like Playa das Americas and Costa Adeje. It's a good base here because you're on the southwestern side where you're much closer to places like Icod and also to Garachico, which you can do in a day trip, even on the public bus. So you get to see a completely different side of Tenerife. Another good thing about Los Gigantes is the marina actually offers so many boat excursions which takes you out below the cliffs of Los Gigantes to places like Masca. There's all sorts of activities. There's snorkeling, there's kayaking, there's sailing. If you go down to the marina, there's so many excursions. Really recommend you do that. I mean, I've done the Masca Express to see whales. I saw pilot whales. You can see dolphins. You can do fishing trips. There's a lot to do here. It's very easy to organize. So I really recommend you check it out. The other thing is there are many bus connections. The local buses take you back to Costa Adeje in about 40 minutes. And you can also go to other towns along the coast like San Juan, where there's really great seafood, and Acala, again, where they've got some lovely restaurants and they've got some natural pools as well there to explore. So you've got other towns which are only about 15 minutes away that you can explore just by getting on a local bus. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope it gives you some ideas. If you have any questions, if you put it in the comments, I'll do my best to answer. You really must plan your next trip to Tenerife, and please consider Los Gigantes as an option. You won't regret it. If this has been helpful to you, please like the video and please subscribe if you want to see some of my other adventures. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.